Hello all. Today we will be visiting one of the national park which is in Ohio. I will share more details once we are at the national park. We made a stop in Lorraine Rest Area. We got around 1 hour drive still to do to go to that national park. This is Lorraine Rest Area. It's beautiful. This is my first time in Ohio. So sunny out there. The national park that we are going to explore today is Cuyahoga National Park. Finally, we are here at Cuyahoga National Park. Let me show you around. So, this is the national park sign, and that is the visitor center, Boston Mill Visitor Center. The parking is over there, and from there you will also see Boston Mill station, rail station. Let me show you that as well. These are the tracks, and that is Boston Mill railway station. Boston Mill station, train station. Train schedule. Little bit background about the train here. So we are here at Boston Mill station. Usually national parks will have a entry fee, but for this one I haven't happened to see one as of now. I don't know if we have entry fee for this one. I don't think so. We have one for this. So no national park annual pass is required for this park. Let me show you again visitor center and the map over there.
You want him to go get the car?
I've always wondered, like, what is the lawn part? I've got a plan.
Visitor center over there. Restrooms are outside here. So we are here The famous attractions of this park are this one and this one. We are gonna do this one first. But some wooden bridge, not wooden one, steel bridge, and the views from here. So as shown, we will be visiting first Brandywine waterfalls. So if you want to start hike from this Boston Hill Visitor Center, it's 5-mile one. We will go to the trailhead near to Brandywine waterfalls and we will start our hike from that point. Like it's so sunny, stay hydrated. I'm not sure if I can cover ledges as well today, but let's do Brandywine waterfalls hike. Finally we made our way to the waterfalls. So this is the waterfalls parking. We have entry over there, so we will be going there. Brandywine Falls. Started the trail. The trail length is 2 miles or so. So we will be doing this. This is falls viewing area. It looks so greenery. Wow. This is the falls. This is another point to view Brandywine Falls, and looks like this is the best spot to view this waterfall. The hike is not that much, it's just like walking and climbing trees. Just listen to the waterfall sound. So we'll be closing this video here. Signing off.